Okay, the event cinemas lift at the downtown. They've put LEDs in the buttons, look. The V&M McGrath. Well, that button doesn't light up. Does that mean it's locked? Okay, it's locked, so we can only go to one. Look at that. All of the bulbs have been changed to LEDs. That's really cool. Here we are at one. Yep, done the same out here too. Let's go back down the ground. McGrath Industries. Actually, it looks pretty cool with the white LEDs in it. And it will close up in just a second. I'm just talking over the music. There it goes. And that's it.